In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted items in Canva. We've all had those moments when a design we worked so hard on suddenly disappears due to a mistaken click or a moment of inattention. Fortunately, Canva has a safety net that lets you restore items from the trash. Let's dive into how you can recover your work effortlessly. First, you'll need to head over to Canva. Start by navigating to their website and logging into your account using your credentials. Once you've accomplished that, you'll be on the familiar Canva dashboard, which is the starting point for all creative projects. Now, to demonstrate the process, let's intentionally delete an existing design. You can do this by locating a design in your portfolio. It could be one of your recent projects or something that doesn't need immediate attention. Once you've selected a design, look to the right-hand side of the page where you'll find a small checkbox. Check it off, indicating that this is the design you wish to delete. After selecting your design, move your cursor down and hover over the trash icon. Clicking this will shift your design to the trash bin. But don't worry, moving an item to the trash doesn't mean it's gone forever. It simply relocates to a temporary storage where it can be easily restored if needed. Now that your design is in the trash, let's proceed to bring it back. Go to the menu panel on the left side of your screen. At the very top left corner of this menu, you'll find the Open Menu icon, which you'll need to click on. You'll see a list of options unfold, but we're focusing on the bottom section here, sir. So just scroll down and click on Trash. This will bring up a list of items currently in the trash folder. It's time to find the design you moved there earlier. Take a look at the list and identify the design you want to restore. When you find it, direct your attention to the right side and notice the 3 vertical dots. Clicking this will open up a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll see the Restore option. Clicking on Restore will automatically return your design to its original location within your Canva account as if it was never gone. And that's all there is to it. Now you've managed to restore a deleted item and continue your creative journey without any hurdles. Congratulations on recovering your deleted design in Canva. This feature is a lifesaver for many people, ensuring that those accidental deletions are nothing to fear. So next time, if you make a mistaken delete, just remember, getting it back is just a few simple steps away. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!